Thanks to the advancements of photography, videos, and the internet, we're now able to see parts of the world in ways we never thought possible. More than ever before, all kinds of exotic and amazing moments are just a click away. Yet, despite the technology we have at our fingertips, it's still rare to capture footage of certain animals. And if we ever do manage to record an elusive species, it's usually just a blurry photo from a trail camera or something like that. However, one lucky group from the World Wildlife Fund experienced something incredibly unique when they visited the Amazon River. Luckily, they caught it all on film. When you spend all of your days working with animals, it's pretty difficult for anything to surprise you. They may be wild, but they're pretty predictable, and you've seen it all. Yet for one important figure in the conservation community, that was not the case. World Wildlife Fund, WWF, President and CEO Carter Roberts has dedicated his life to all sorts of animals the world over. So when he saw something that amazed even him, you know it had to be amazing. A crew of people who worked for the WWF were sailing along the Amazon River when they spotted something in the water, and the footage they captured was truly breathtaking. Can you guess what it was? At first you might think it resembled some sort of sea serpent, but no, this wasn't a cousin of the Loch Ness Monster. You could certainly be forgiven for thinking that way, but take a closer look and you'll see that wasn't the case. As the crew moved closer to the creature, it became easier to make out the animal's head. It definitely was some sort of mammal, and you could say he looked like a large black dog paddling his way through the water. Of course, the question you'd then ask would be, why on earth would a large black dog be swimming in the middle of the Amazon River? Of course, the answer is that it wasn't actually a dog at all. Here's the creature in action. Can you guess what kind of animal it might be? It would actually be a bit of a surprise if you could, because this creature is incredibly rare and elusive. If you guessed some sort of wild cat, you'd be correct. It was a black jaguar, to be exact. These beautiful felines are extremely difficult to track down in the first place, let alone doing something as strange as swimming in a huge river. These powerful cats were actually rarely seen in the water, which made the sighting even more incredible. It was definitely a good thing that somebody from the World Wildlife Fund had their camera on hand. How amazing to see such a beautiful animal undisturbed by humans. Not everyone can say they've witnessed something this special in their lifetime. Share this surprising story with your friends.